Hi, good afternoon. By the way, I'm Coach Errol. No, meron akong 3 ways kung paano mo makuha yung tamang sales and leads dito. So, dapat alam mo to. Number 1 is yung paano mag-set up ng campaign and also yung advanced conversion na rin. And number 2, dapat make sure yung creatives mo is catchy siya, yung video, yung photo, so yung size niya, yung graphics niya, dapat nandun din yung details niya. Of course, content creation, dapat maayos siya, no? Ito yung pinakalasa dapat mong wag kakalimutan. Number 3 is how to close your sales, no? Once na dumating na siya sa iyong messenger or sa iyong order form, make sure na makuklose mo ng maayos yung client. Dahil once na hindi mo siya maklose, useless lang lahat ng ginawa mo. Kasi from the scratch, naghirap ka mag-create ng campaign, naghirap ka magawa ng video, naghirap ka magawa ng photo, no? So, ito yung wag mong kakalimutan, yung number 3, how to close your sales. Alright? So, meron akong ginawang coaching one-on-one para sa iyo. So, ito is very powerful talaga from sales to closing conversion. So, kompleto na. Message mo ako, I will guide you kung paano nga ba sisimulan and paano nga ba makaklose ng tamang sales. Alright? By the way, I'm Coach Errol from One Marketer. See you!